Hi guys! Hi again! We're going to continue with our topic, healthy choices. So we need to make healthy decisions in order to be healthy. Okay, so we're going to start reading the book. We continue with the same unit, Unit 3, Lesson 3. Water. Why is water important for our body? So we're going to read page 36. Ready? Okay. Water is the main component in our body. It makes up more than half of our body. Our body needs water in many ways to break down food and to remove waste materials. So, water helps to break down the food we eat. Our body needs water to help take in nutrients from food. Our blood is made up of a lot of water. The water in our blood helps to carry nutrients to all parts of our body. And our body needs water to remove waste materials as sweat, urine, and feces. Waste materials harm our body if they stay too long in our body. Water leaves our body as sweat and urine. We must replace this water. We do this by drinking and eating. Most foods, such as vegetables and fruits, contain water. Let's continue page 37. Making healthy choices. How can we make healthy choices? Our body needs the right amount of nutrients to grow well and stay healthy. So we should make healthy food choices by having a balanced diet. A balanced diet has all the nutrients that our body needs in the right amounts. We should eat a variety of food for a balanced diet. We should also eat in moderation, that is, not eat too much. The diagram below is the food pyramid. It tells us how to make the healthy food choices. Eat less of foods rich in fats and sugar. Eat foods rich in proteins in moderation. Eat more of fruits and vegetables. Eat more of foods rich in carbohydrates. Okay, so we finished reading. Now we're going to continue with the same topic, healthy choices. So in here I'm going to show you some information related to the topic. So what choices do we have about keeping our bodies and minds healthy? What influences our choices about our bodies and our physical and mental health? How can we decide if these are positive or negative influences? So we have daily choices. Actually, we love to watch TV, play, video games, and stay all the time inactive. When we are inactive, we are not, moving our bodies, and in that way, we will not be that healthy. So when you play sports, is a good choice to be healthy. So we have that we only have one body and we need to take care of our precious body, right? So we can say that our body is a temple. We need to take care of our body. Okay? Sometimes people say this to illustrate how much they respect and care for their own body. So, what is this? What does that mean? Imagine that your body is a temple. What are you going to do in order to have a precious temple? What do you need to do in order to maintain your body healthy? So, would you make it a calm and relaxing place? Would you make sure it was clean inside and out? Would you protect it from germs and bacteria? Would you provide everything you needed for it to function well? Would you make sure everything inside worked as well as it could? So basically we are here comparing our body to a temple, right? Would you try to keep bad influences out of your temple to protect it from harm? When we take care of our body, we need to consider the choices we make. That's very important, guys. We need to see how much, healthy food we are eating. So we have some examples of, food that we are eating and the ingredients that we can find, the salt, or for example caffeine and sugar. Like, we need to be careful when eating a lot of sugar. And obviously tobacco is too bad for us. So in here we have some of these, such as vitamins and proteins, are things which our body need. Okay, in there you're going to find salt, sugar, and fat, but those are the ones that you cannot eat that much, right? So some foods and drinks contain artificial chemicals, like the soda, the one that we love, but we should not drink it that much. Okay, and medicines are going to help our body if they're necessary. Good. And they're good and bad bacteria in our body, so we need to be careful with that part. And caffeine, we need to be careful when drinking coffee. Too much coffee is not good either. And as I told you, it's terrible. Tobacco, smoking is not good at all for us. So a balanced lifestyle diet. If we want to look after our body, we need to have a balanced lifestyle. This means living as healthily as possible but still having fun. That's true. We need to have a balance in everything. Actually, it's not that we cannot watch TV, but try not to have it, like that routine for more than 2 hours. It is good to do a lot of exercise, but not all the time. You need to do other things as well. So it is very important to do exercise because it will help your body. But as I told you, you need to have a balance of everything. Okay? So when you don't do enough physical activity, you can be at risk of obesity. And that's terrible, my friends. If we stay outside in the sun without covering our skin or wearing a sunscreen, we can become sunburned. So that's also terrible. And what about when you feel that pressure of doing things that you're not supposed to do? The ones that we have here, for example. You need to be careful with that and do what you think you have to do. For example, if you say, I'm not going to drink too much soda, just don't do it because that's your own decision. Okay? And obviously, remember to trust your parents all the time when feeling like that. And a positive influence. Actually, there are many people, many friends that will be with you, helping you, making right choices. Okay? So that's everything for today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video as I did. See you later.